Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. Today's quick video, we're going to do a Simply Maze Crazy review. Now this product is going to allow you to instantly jump into low content publishing books, creating them and selling them. Alright, so what is Simply Maze Crazy? Simply Maze Crazy is simply a product that allows you to generate mazes and then use them as your own, again, for low content publishing books, physical products, printables, things where you can put them in a PDF, sell them and let people print them on their own printer at home. Any possibilities are probably endless. So mazes are fun and puzzle books are hot. This is the sales page for Simply Maze Crazy. Discover the easiest way to create mazes for both your personal and commercial products, a timeless classic with a modern twist. Get instant access. So when you land here on the sales page, this is exactly what you're going to see. It's going to talk about how super easy it is to set it up and show you how hard it's how it's not hard to generate these puzzles, but the puzzles themselves can be either very easy or very complicated. Okay? And of course, you're going to get unrestricted rights to the mazes you create. So all the mazes you create will be yours to use as you want. Of course, you see here printables, puzzle books and mazes, and physical products. And towards the end of the video, I'll show you a few examples of what that'll look like. All right. And I'm also going to throw in some bonuses here, so stay with me. All right. So you get 100% no risk guarantee. And right here, you can see this launches in 2 hours and 2 minutes as of me shooting this video, because I want to make sure that when you see this video, it's the latest information and you're ready to pick up the bonuses that I'm just about to show you. All right. So Simply Maze Crazy. This is what it looks like. You will log into the product once you purchase it, and you'll be here at the welcome screen, and there's a Facebook group for your support and for general information and just to have a community around building these mazes and how other people are using them, and to get support from Robert, who is the creator of this product. Of course, I'm in that group, so you can see me there as well. You will be able to create mazes. There's some tutorial videos. We'll take a look at that real quick before we jump into creating them. Talks about creating your first maze, changing your maze sizes, downloading your maze, adding your maze to other content, creating your own start and finish, utilizing your content upgrade pack, which I will talk about that as well here in a second. So let's just go ahead and create a maze real quick. So you'll jump in the interface and you're going to see how easy this is to get started. So you have a little slider bar here that goes from easy to hard. So what you can do is, if you go super easy, you just drop that in there and you generate that maze, and you can see that that is extremely easy. So easy to hard, depending on how complicated you want it. Of course, you can make them for kids, or if you wanted just some type of design where it would look really simple but it's still a maze, you could make that. So we'll drag this up a little bit. We'll reset that, and we'll go ahead and we'll change the color here to green, and you can see how that works. And then you generate the maze, and there you can see that it's getting a little more complicated. Now I want to cover the start and end points real quick. You see these little openings? You have your start and your ending, of course, start being the top and ending being the bottom. You can uncheck those, and then what you can do is reset that. And then when you generate your maze, you'll see that there's no start and finish. So you have just one complete maze. So then that way, if you wanted to, you could edit those and you could put an arrow or a start and finish, whatever. You can get more creative with this image, because when you download this image, what you will get when you download it, you can see right there, it'll just download it to a PNG that's transparent. So then when you open it, you'll have a transparent background, and you'll be able to edit the image and add to it as you see fit. Okay? Now, let's talk about, that's Simply Maze Crazy in a nutshell. Of course, let's slide this over all the way to hard, and you can see something really interesting here. Let's generate a new maze, and you can see it's going to take a little longer. It's working in the background to generate that maze, because this maze is going to be very complex, so it takes a little longer. And there you go. You can see this is a very, very complex maze. Of course, it's small here on the display screen, but when you download it, you can enlarge it, make it smaller as you need. Of course, it's going to depend on where you publish it, right? So let's talk about that for a second. So over at Amazon, Maze puzzle books, as you remember on the sales page, I talked about how hot these are. So if you just take this drop down, you can see here Maze puzzle books for kids, for adults ages 8 to 12, puzzle books for kids ages 10 and up. All right, and you can see one of the puzzle books here is selling for $9.97. So we'll go ahead and click on that. And while we're doing that, I want to show you this other Kindlepreneur calculator. And the reason I want to show you this is to show you that while this paperback book sells for $9.97, what you do is you scroll down here and you can see that Amazon bestseller rank is 60,086 in books. So you go back, pop back over here and use this Kindle bestseller calculator, and then you discover how many books an author is selling. You pop in, let's just pop in 60,000 for good measure. You can see that's 3 books a day. So you can see the power here, even on Amazon, as just one channel to sell these maze books, these types of puzzle books. And this guy's ranking 60,000. So he's selling 3 of these a day on average, okay, according to the Kindlepreneur calculator. Okay, so that's one place you can sell these as low content. Another thing you could do is, you can see here I'm on printful.com. You can see here I've uploaded the maze onto a coffee mug, and you can see here that it's mocked up, and I could sell it on physical products just like it says on the sales page. So this is all very doable. You can see the maze right there, the rather complicated maze. You can see that right there on a coffee mug. You can sell it right here on Printable. Of course, Printable, you could sell it on t-shirts. You could put it on all kinds of things, from pillowcases, whatever, all kinds of stuff like that. One other thing I want to show you that I've done with it is I've actually generated a PDF here just for fun, Book of Mazes, Solve the Maze. And I just created different colored mazes in a book here in a PDF. Of course, you could give this away. You could sell this if you have a printable site. You could sell these, and then, again, go back to the way Amazon is doing it. It just really gets you to thinking how you can be creative inside of this world of low content publishing, which for 30minutemarketing.net, this is really just right in the wheelhouse of things that we do. Me and you, we do things in our spare time to create online income, online revenue, passive income, however you want to say it. 30minutemarketing.net is about finding these simple solutions to focus on, and that's what Simply Maze Crazy is. So again, those are things I wanted to show you. I want to show you how the tool works. Simply Maze Crazy. You see how easy the interface is right there. We talked about selling these as puzzle books on Amazon. We looked at taking the images it generates and selling them on with physical products using Printly. And then, of course, I previewed a little PDF that I made real quick in Word, or if you're on a Mac like I am, Pages. All right. So let's get back into the sales page. Of course, the front end, the product itself, the tool, is $27. There will be a content upgrade that you'll see after you purchase the puzzle creator or the maze creator. And then, so you see here that there is an upgrade pack, or what is called custom design content packs. So you'll have the ability to purchase these. These will be another $27 for those. And then there will be a downgrade. I believe the downgrade is going to be about $10 less, because it's going to give you less designs. So you'll see those. And what I have for you in addition when you pick up the front end is more templates that you can use. So for example, in Keynote, I produced these 1200 by 1200 square images that you see very popular, of course, like on Facebook, all forms of social media. You can see that there are 45 of these, and you can see right here how I've put a maze in there. And of course, this is in Keynote and in PowerPoint, so you can edit those. If you're on a Mac, you'll have it in Keynote format, and if you're on a Windows machine, you'll have it in PowerPoint format, and those are yours to use as you see fit. Here we have some coloring book images. You'll get these as well, and you'll see here, like, these are just images that you can easily put into a puzzle book, or you could create a maze coloring book, puzzle coloring book, and mazes, and you can add these images right into your book, just the way I did here in my PDF where I created my Just for Fun Book of Mazes. All right, so that's it. That is Simply Maze Crazy, talking about low content publishing here, the way we can use it as 30-minute marketers. So go ahead, take a look at Simply Maze Crazy, pick it up, get those bonuses, those 1200 by 1200 image squares for you, as well as the done for you templates, the images that you could add into your puzzle and maze books for to create coloring books as well, to make it more than just a puzzle book or a maze book. And that is it. So I appreciate you taking your time. Go ahead, if this was helpful, give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down. If it wasn't, let me know why. Also, let me know if you're doing low content publishing and if you think Simply Maze Crazy can help. All right, appreciate it. Don't forget those bonuses, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.